Alright guys, I think I finally have this thing figured out one more time. So on the last example, I said that you would have one that was similar to 15 and 14 in addition to the one we've already done, number 11. So let's go ahead and take a look at number 15 because I think 15 is a little bit more complex than 14. So looking over here, we see that the z's all have the same coefficient of 1. And number 1 is a positive z, and then 2 and 3 have negative z's. So I'm going to add equation 1 and equation 2 together to create equation 4. So that's x minus 4y plus z is 6, and 2x plus 5y minus z is 7. So we're going to add those two equations together, giving us 3x 4y, negative 4y plus y is plus y. Z minus z cancels out. 6 plus 7 is 13. And now this is equation 4. Now we want to add equations 1 and 3 together. So you have x minus 4y plus z is 6. And 2x minus y minus z is 1. Okay, add these two equations together and you get 3x minus 5y. Z's cancel out. 6 plus 1 is 7. And now this is equation 5 because we created it by adding 1 and 3. Now looking at equation 4 and equation 5, it's probably going to be easier to eliminate the x's since they both have a coefficient of 3. But one of those needs to be negative if we want to add them together. So I am going to multiply equation 4 by negative 1, giving us negative 3x, negative y, and negative 13. Okay, so adding those two together, the x's eliminate. Negative 5y and negative y gives you negative 6y. 7 minus 13 is negative 6. Divide both sides by negative 6. And y is 1. Then you take this and plug it into one of the two equations. Let's go ahead and put it into 4. So then we have 3x plus 1 is 13. Subtract 1. 3x is 12. So therefore x is 4. And now that we have x is 4 and y is 1, we need to figure out what z is. Let's go ahead and pick 3. So you have 2 times 4 minus 1 minus z equals 1. Don't know why I picked that one, but I did. All right, so 8 minus 1 is 7. So you have 7 minus z equals 1. We're going to subtract 7 from both sides, giving us negative z is negative 6, or z is 6. The ordered triple is 4, 1, 6. Not a bad idea to check that answer in, say, the first or second equation since we put it into the third one. So you have 2 times 4, which is 8, right? So if we take this 4, 1, 6 and put it here, so you would have 8 plus 5 minus 6. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. That matches. So, yep, we're good. All right. So that's it for the question that would be similar to number 9 or the 9th question on the test. I'm going to stop this so that I can upload it.